steering. The mile marker hydraulic system outperforms all electric winches in its size category. The first vehicle is a 1994 Dodge Ram with dual Optima hard with 800 cranking amps each to power the Warn 8274 upright. The third vehicle is a 1994 Chevy with a mile marker hydraulic winch. The mile marker system is a hydraulic winch powered by the vehicle's power steering pump. All winches will pull until they stall. With over 17,000 pounds of anchor weight, the first winch up is the Super Winch S9000. With all four brakes held on the big Dodge, the dyno showed 3,200 pounds. Unfortunately, the high amp draw which pulled the volts down on the electrical system, coupled with the built-in circuit breakers, limited us to a 2-foot pull before stalling. Second up is the Warn 8274 upright, which does not have a built-in circuit breaker as the Super Winch S9000. With 4,300 pounds on the dyno, the Warn was underway. Without the circuit breakers to prevent motor burnout, the Warn passed the 2-foot mark of the Super Winch. However, with the voltmeter declining and the scent of singed electrical components radiating into the air, it's evident that motor burnout is near. The Warn stalled at 25 feet 7 inches. Finally, with a consistent load of 4,500 pounds on the dyno, the mile marker hydraulic winch was on the hook. The Chevy's engine is operating at an idle, as power steering pumps are variable vane pumps designed to create full available pressure at an idle. The solenoid control valve is using only 2 amps of electrical power, unlike the 400 amp draw of electric-powered winches. With a high-torque compact hydraulic motor, there's no need for the power-robbing multiple planetary gear sets used in electric-powered winches. Even now that we're on the 5th wrap of the drum, the mile mark winch is still pulling strong. With a continuous power source, you've got continuous performance. It's that simple. The typical power steering pump generates 1,400 to 1,500 psi. The system uses a simple-to-install solenoid-activated switching valve to reroute flow to the winch, then back to the steering box, so fluid is always flowing through the steering box. The mile marker winch is the only winch in the challenge to pull non-stop without stalling. As you've seen, 1,600 amps of electric power available through dual batteries to power both Warn and Super Winch electric winches didn't do the job the mile marker hydraulic winch did. The fact is, if you want a winch to perform over and over, I hope you're using a mile marker hydraulic winch. Because if you're stuck bad with an electric winch, prepare on staying a while. Commonly asked questions.